Radha Swami ji viewers, this is my special motivational video you can say, but this is for just you can say for teenagers or abroad customers who have messaged me again and again to show the product of woolen qualities, pure smoky work, branded Ari work, Pashmina shawls. So I am now here with these new varieties of stalls. See the variety, see the stock, see the full variety. I will show you one piece open. You can select, you can take screenshots and see the full jawls also. Pashmina shawls, full guarantee work. On the demand of our UK customers, on the demand of our Canada customer, on the demand of our USA, Australia customer.
Sir, can you please open the pieces so that customers can take the screenshots?
Sure. This is my job, and my job. First, I will see the quality. See that this is all is embroidery work, smoky work. I will open all pieces, and I will tell you the range. This is all pashmina pieces. Here is a display of all the qualities. You can see the quality. I have approximate 10 to 15 designs. Now I will show you all the pieces. This is all which I am showing to you. This is all ranges just 1290 rupees. 1290 rupees included GST. Okay, this GST is also included in the quality, branded quality, full guarantee. But you have to pay just only courier charge. Branded quality. Whichever you like, you may take the screenshot. This is center plane. कुंज बिहारी बहुत बेहतरीन चीज है. This is my special motivation video for that ladies who are doing the work at home, who are resellers, who are growing with the small business. So I will show you one piece, just 1290 rupees. If you are in India, you can courier charge is just 50 rupees per kg, and in 1 kg it will take 2 to 3 pieces. If you are in abroad, the rate is country wise. These are all for abroad customer. White is the best. Whichever color you like, whichever color you like the design, these are all the best quality.
Sir, customers ask about the quality. So what is the quality of this piece?
This customer, you can ask to customer, this is pashmina shawls. This is best quality. This is specially for ladies who can wear with kurti, palazzo. These are all our stalls. This yarn is pashmina, branded quality, full guarantee, lightweight pashmina, full guarantee, embroidery work. See the black is also nice. It is full guarantee from the company. 10 years guarantee. Rate is just 1290 rupees. If you go to mall or some shopping complex, its rate is about 4500 to 5500, yeah, 5000 per piece. But our season is going, today is Lodi. Lodi is our main festival, so that I am giving you a big heavy sale, just 1290. Branded quality, 10 years guarantee. See the quality, see the product, whatever you like, you may say. See, all are branded quality, all are best copies. If you want this type of color, dusty color, we have dusty color also. Proper side I have. See, dusty color also. Best quality, full guarantee. This one is palla plain, and otherwise is smoky with kunj bihari, branded quality.
We have watched the variety of 1290. So what else you have in the variety right now?
Sir, now I am here to you with some another variety. See the quality. This is full jal. It's very fine quality, branded quality, full guarantee. This is also pashmina, branded quality, full jal with border. I will show you different color in this. This is also nice yellow, full jal, branded quality, all over embroidery.
What's the price of this piece?
This is price 1590. Full jal quality.
Okay, earlier it was just the border, now we have the jar in between.
We have jal, all designing 1590, best quality.
This is complete jal.
We have also dusty color in Dasar. We have different color with new collection. Branded quality. See the quality.
This is the latest arrival of pure pashmina shawls and stoles.
Best quality. Whichever you like, you may ask. Take the screenshot of this. All variety are nice. Whichever you, it is suit matching also. Whichever you like, this is the best quality. Now I am coming with the new designing again and again. Without, if some people don't like smoxy, see the smoxy. I have different pattern without smoxy also. We have all quality. See the border, see the jal, all embroidery. This is also 1590. Best quality. I have different color in this also. Best quality. Pura full jal. Whichever you like, you may take the screenshot. All are the best quality. Pure pashmina piece. Whichever. Rate I have shown you two qualities. One is of 1590 and another is of 1290. See the 1290 color. If a newly married couple, you may take this jal.
This is bridal stole.
Bridal stole. Best quality. I have different color in this also, bridal stole. Pure pashmina. Whichever you like. White black is must. Gajri color. Carrot color you can say. But in abroad I think I have dispatched many order. White black is must. White black is compulsory for them. I have to make relation with you, with my customer for a whole life, so that I don't compromise with my quality. These qualities are best. You can take for scarf also. See.
This is completely lightweight.
Lightweight. Male can also take from the male, female both are quality product. See. It works for scarf also. Best quality you can say. Best quality. Super. And price is just 5,000 wala piece. I am giving you just 1590 included GST. Best quality. Whichever you like. Black color is also best. See the best with full jal. I am showing you the quality. Side border आ गया, पीछे full jal आ गया. See the quality. Whatever you like, you may take the screenshot. This is also best. Pashmina shawls, full guarantee.
So now customers have seen the variety of 1290 and 1590. So what else do you have in the variety?
I have, sir, best quality in more also. 1219, 1519. Now I am giving the best price, which in retail it is selling up to 7,500, 8,000. I will just give you only 1,890. See the quality product. In just 1,890.
This is heavy discount.
Full jal work. Full jal.
You can see that Swarovski work is there with the full jal and border. This is black color. Again with embroidery and Swarovski work.
I have black in different design. See the design is designer print. Smoxy but different.
Different Swarovski work.
Whichever you like. Here. See the pashmina style. New arrival.
Black on the base and different embroidery color.
I will show you one piece. $1,890 best price in malls or showrooms or in Kashmir showroom. You will will just 10,000, 11,000. I am just giving you only discounted at 1,890 because I want to sell to bulk. Reseller can contact me. ladies customer, new shopkeepers, whatever you like. See the quality, see the product, whatever you like. I have bulk product. See the quality, branded quality. Which color you like, you may take the screenshot. 1 piece, 2 piece, 5 piece, 10 piece, 50 pieces, whatever you like. It will deliver at your home. Below is my WhatsApp number. You may take the screenshot and send to my WhatsApp number. I will product. This is all are included GST, branded quality, full guarantee. If any complaint, you may return because I know what is my product. Lifetime guarantee. These pieces are just only dry clean. I am again talking to you. These pieces are only dry clean. 1890. Hello viewers.
So this is more in the variety of 1890 rupees. This is embroidery with the Swarovski work.
Sir, these all are best quality. You can see the picture from far above. See the quality, see the quality. Kunj variety, branded quality. If you want to gift someone, if you want to gift somebody else, these are all best quality.
There are different colors and different designs. You can take screenshot of the item you want to purchase and WhatsApp us on the provided numbers.
Best quality, whichever you like, you may ask. If you are old age ladies, or you can senior citizens also think that these all are stalls. I have product for them also. Just give me in the next only just 2 minutes. You wait. I will give you full shawl also. See, these all are full shawls. See the quality.
These are stoles with the Swarovski work and embroidery on the border.
Because today is the हमारे इंडिया में कहते हैं जमाना आजकल स्टॉल का ही है. If you want to purchase stole, you may take stole also. Stole you can wear with jeans, you can wear with kurti style, you can wear with whatever you like. See the quality.
So white is the most selling product of our shop, which customers really like, and this is full jal.
See the quality. See the quality. Best quality, branded quality. Black and white are the main which customer take the best.
This is a different design in white color.
Now I am coming you with again with your ladies who want full shawls. These are stalls and stole length is and breadth is 28 by 80 and shawl is 40 by 80. Now these all are stalls which I have given you. All are branded quality pashmina shawls. First time you can dry clean and another time you can use easy retha powder. Now I am coming to the shawl section. Full shawl section. This shawl size is 40 by 80. I will yellow. See the quality. Cook ek banai beta. See the quality. Full size shawl. Full size shawl. 40 by 80 size. And I will give you the one to all. I will show you all product. Best quality. See the quality.
This is pure pashmina with the hand work on it.
Its actual price is 5500, but I am just giving you only 1990 rupees, 2000 rupees approximate. See the black one. Best quality. Side border shawls all are branded quality. These are all big shawls. 40 by 80 you can say. This is for old age ladies, you can say, or whatever you like, anybody can take. If you want to gift some for your in-laws, or you can, if you want for sale purpose, or for if you are reseller, you may take the product. All are best quality. See the quality. You may take the screenshot. The black one is also nice. Very fine quality. This. All are pure pashmina shawls. All are pure pashmina shawls. Navy blue, black. This border is also nice.
This colorful border.
Shawl are also nice. Stole are also nice. Whatever you like. Now this is my last product. Now I am going to the suit section. if any customer purchase from me approximate 35,000, then it's a gentleman promise. I will give you one Kani suit of 2,000 free. Now I am giving delivered at your home. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Radha Swami. Next day I will come with new video. So it's your brother. Give me blessing. Thank you.